But by the way, we can't. Your wife.
She's
everyone talks about how
gorgeous.
gorgeous you are, but we just had to take a look at Lacey, and when we.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's
look at you
very
too.
That was a few years ago. We met. That's how we met maybe 5 years ago when I made a video with her. And then I made her come back and make another one with me, and then I asked her to marry me.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
Wow. And you have an almost 2-year-old, right?
Almost 2 years old. Her name's
Pearl?
Pearl. Yeah.
do we have a
After
little
Pearl at the Grand Ole Opry, that Pearl? No.
Well, my best friend's name was Pearl growing up, and she was an angel in my life. She passed away, so I thought it was
that's beautiful.
fitting
Look at
to
this.
name my daughter that.
How beautiful.
There she is.
Oh, talk about beautiful. Look at your bobblehead dolls.
Yeah, I need to, you need to fire your manufacturer because you
I got
are.
these though. These here too,
Yeah.
though, look pretty good.
No, we're kind of,
What do
we
you think of
have a bookmark.
Yeah, okay. But that does not look like you. We've come to the conclusion.
that? Yeah, this. If you turn it around, it kind of looks like California raisin.
It does.